Hi, it's Niveen Abdulghaffar, math teacher at Department of Foundation Studies at Kuwait Technical College. Today, I want to show you how to find the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So it takes 2 points to define a line. Suppose we have the points 3, -5, and 6, 2. Using these points, we want to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. And it looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. Here, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. The first step is to use the 2 points to find the slope. We plug the points 3, -5 and 6, 2 into the slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember, slope is equal to the difference in the y-coordinates over the difference in the x-coordinates. So we have now m equals 2 minus -5 over 6 minus 3. Now, since I took this y-coordinate first, I need to make sure I use this x-coordinate first on the bottom so that my slope has the right sign. Now we have m equals 7 over 3. So the slope of the line that joins these 2 points is going to be 7 over 3. So far, this is what we have. Y equals 7 over 3 x plus b. The next step is to find the y-intercept b. To do this, we want to plug any one of the points on the line into the equation we have so far. Y equals 7/3 x plus b. So let's use the point 3, -5 and solve for b. Y equals 7/3 x plus b. It doesn't matter which point you use. Both points will solve the equation, so you pick any point you want. -5 equals 7 over 3 times 3 plus b. So let's solve for b now. Kick the 7 out to the left and change the sign. So we have b equals -12. So the equation of this line is y equals 7 over 3x minus 12. From this example, we learned that you have to use 2 points to find the slope, and then you plug either one of those points into the equation and solve for b to get the y-intercept, and then find the final equation, and that's it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next tips and tricks.